Let's walk through some file permissions within Slingshot, since Slingshot makes it very easy for you to pin files and upload files from your cloud providers right into Slingshot. If you come here to any file that you've uploaded or pinned, you can come to the overflow and go to the file permissions button. And this will allow you to change any of the permissions that you've put on a particular file. So you can either select that you want anybody with an access or a link to get permission to this file. You can do automatic access, where anybody that is on the workspace or project that you are pinning this to will automatically get access to this file. Or you can make it a request access file, where anybody that wants to access it and clicks on it needs to go through an approval process of the file owner in order for that person to get access to that file. This makes it very easy to ensure that the file permissions and privacy of you are kept as you wish within Slingshot. I also have Remember My Choice here that I can select, so that, say I work in finance or accounting and I want every file that I pin into a particular workspace or project to go through a request access flow. I can choose to remember my choice and set this permission so that any new file that I pin into that workspace will automatically get the permission of request access instead of automatic access or all can access.